Oh shit, scratched out. Now we got her jumped off. I'm trying to chase down this damn ticking noise we started hearing. So you can almost hear from here. So this is what. Oh shit, a squirrel. Let's check out these lights real quick before I fucking. We all know how fast that fucking light will kill the battery if you're trying to work on shit, as I just demonstrated after driving the damn thing all day. We got these fucking button lights from AutoZone. Probably gonna get about 375 more of them and unhook that light. They just have these little switches. Switch on, and supposed to last about, I don't fucking know, 24, 48 hours. So most of us, that's about a day or so worth of work. So we're gonna fucking forget to turn them off. Anyway, back to the chicken nose. I replaced the injectors. It sounds like it's going from some fucking area here.